Hello students, let's learn about common gender and neuter gender. Common genders. Common genders are the names which is used for both males and females. So the name which are common for both males and females are the common genders. Let's learn with some examples. Baby. Baby is the word can be used for both boy and girl. Thus, baby is a common gender. Remember, the names which is used for both male and female are the common genders. Can we use the name teacher for both male and female? Yes, we use the name teacher for both male and female. So, teacher is a common gender. What about doctor? Yes, doctor is a common gender. It is the name which can be used for both male and female. So, doctor is a common gender. Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the name can be given to both male and female. So, Prime Minister is a common gender. So, children, what are common genders? Yes, the names which are common for both males and females are the common genders. And who are males and females? Yes, males refers to man and boy. Female refers to girl or woman. Let's learn the another type of gender, that is neuter genders. Let's learn about it. Neuter genders. Neuter genders are the names of non-living things. All the names of non-living things are the neuter genders. Can you divide the things into male or female? No. We can't tell whether a thing is a girl or boy. So, all the names of the things are neuter genders. Table is the name of the non-living thing. So, table is a neuter gender. Clock. Clock is a neuter gender. It is a non-living thing name. Tree is a neuter gender. Stone is a neuter gender. So children, what are neuter genders? Yes, all the names of non-living things are neuter gender. The names which can't be divided into male or female are the neuter genders. So, the names of the things are the neuter gender. Let's practice. Here, I have given some nouns and you need to help me to put the nouns into the correct column, whether the nouns belongs to common gender or the neuter gender. So, let's do it. The nouns are magician, water, friend, scientist, building, truck, member, basket, player, bag are the nouns. We need to find out which are common gender and neuter gender. Can you do it by yourself? Yes. Now let's read out the common genders first. Magician, friend, scientist, player are the common names given for both male and female, so they are common genders. Water, building, truck, basket are the names of non-living things, so they are neuter gender. Isn't it very easy, children? Yes. So, what we have learnt in this video? We have learned the two types of gender, that is common gender and neuter gender. What are common genders? The names used for both and males and females are the common genders, and the names of all non-living things are the neuter genders. I hope you are clear with this video, children. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you.